largest monthly car show in America. Fill up on some coffee, top off the octane, and head on down.
Wow, it's Mustang March, and there are a lot of Mustangs out here.
Dude, this is Mustang Day, but this is the boss.
Ooh, look at that thing.
People get surprised every time I step out of it. They don't expect it at all.
Sure is nice being in our own digs here at Caffeine Octane Garage.
It really is.
And it's so nice and quiet.
I didn't hear that.
See?
What is wrong with it?
Good morning, everybody. I think I had one too many coffees already.
Yeah, I was
think
getting
so,
ready to say, you only get away with that because this is our place. Other than that, you get thrown out. Well, I know that you don't own a Mustang.
How do you know that?
What does
Maybe
that
I
tell you?
do, or maybe I got it from Haggerty Drive Share.
Oh. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I learned that from you.
You catch on pretty good. Listen, so check this out. I went to a graveyard in White, Georgia,
You went to a graveyard in White,
On
Georgia.
purpose.
an auto graveyard.
Oh, okay, all right.
Welcome, Caffeine Octane to Old Car City, USA. We got 7 miles of trails here.
7 miles of old cars, they're everywhere.
Well, Car City is a show place. And I don't like to build a show. I like for nature to cause a show.
The car is part of the tree. Look how it's shaking the car. It was pretty interesting because, hey, I'm a fast guy, and I think that you gotta go fast all the time. But sometimes it's good to slow down.
What's wrong with him? Is he okay? Check his temperature.
It really, listen,
I'm out of
you
here.
gotta check it
I'm
out.
going in my fast car. I'll see you at the event.
Skip, it was pretty cool, man.
Really?
Yeah, it was like trees growing up through cars and everything.
Well, look at this. It's Mustang March, and there are a lot of Mustangs out here.
This is amazing. Like a whole line of old Mustangs, whole line of new Mustangs, flat crane Mustang in the background. Wow, that is gorgeous. Is this you?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Brian.
Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael. Man, what in the world did you do here?
I bought a 1970 Mustang